Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Rodney in Virginia on the new RCI 69 base. Rodney, got it ready to go for you, bud? Our tune alignment. Did the upgrades for you. I think you're really going to like what you got here. We're at AM. Now we're going to start with our power all the way down, 50 watt slug. We'll get you set at 2 watts. Okay? That way if you decide to run into the amplifier, which I'm pretty sure you are, you'll be able to turn it down as low as you need to and even more. And it turns up to right at 15. Okay? I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. Right about 45 bird. 100 watt slug in PEP. Hello. 100 watts on the money. Rodney, I think this is going to work great to cruise along your 6 pill base station. I think you're really going to enjoy it. Your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump up.